Hi, Janelle here with Sheep Hill Herbs. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. I'm so happy to have you here today. Today I am going to show you how to make gummies with an herbal syrup. Isn't plastic wonderful? We can make gummies because of this invention. Now this is a BPA-free plastic mold. There are molds that are not BPA free. I would not use them, but we're gonna give this a try here together. There's monkeys, lions, elephants, and penguins. And people typically make elderberry gummies. And I happen to have some hibiscus syrup on hand, so I'm going to use that today. If you want to know how to make the syrup to start with, I have a number of videos on making elderberry syrup, and you can make syrups with pretty much any kind of berry or flower that has quite a bit of flavor. Hibiscus is a very citrusy flower. It is mixed with the honey and it has a very nice citrusy sweet taste. You can also make gummies with sweetened fruit juices. You can make them with blended strawberries, all kinds of things. So I'm happy and excited to get started here and to show you this fun project you can do at home. So let's go. First, subscribe, like, comment, check out the description down below. I have my link tree, which links to everything that is me, including my newsletter. Sign up for my newsletter and ask about my free herbal tea book on how to make herbal teas. So let's get started. So I want to show you what I'm going to be using to make the gummies. I have my jar of hibiscus syrup, which is a decoction of hibiscus flowers and honey. I have my apple juice, 100% from concentrate, and grass-fed unflavored gelatin. So if you want to make vegan gummies, you can use agar, A-G-A-R, and it is made from seaweed, and that is an appropriate substitute. In my bowl here, I have 1 cup of apple juice, and you can choose another juice. You do not have to use apple, and it should be room temperature. And then I am going to add 6 tablespoons of my grass-fed gelatin and just let it hydrate. Just pour it on top of the juice and just let it sit there for a few minutes. Right now I am warming up my hibiscus syrup. You want to just warm up your syrup. If it isn't warm, mine was in the refrigerator. And then I'm going to be adding the gelatin into here, into the warm syrup, and whisking it together. And then we have to work quick to get it into the molds. Here is my mixture. And you can see the gelatin was already starting to firm up. So we're going to mix this all together and set aside and let it cool just slightly. Now it is time to fill our molds. And you want to work quickly because the gelatin is going to start firming up, and we don't want it to set in the pot. We want it to set over here. And this is just so fun and perfect. Just about, I did 1 squeeze makes about 2 gummies. And I'm going to fill this up and show you what it looks like. And here are our finished gummies. They are gummy and made with gelatin, grass-fed beef gelatin. They sort of taste like a firm piece of Jell-O. Real gummy bears have a lot of unhealthy ingredients, so this is the healthy version. They're really cute and really fun. Here's our little penguin and our lion. So there you go. popped right out of the molds.